Hello, my name is Fran and I can't keep away from Primark stores without spending a huge amount of money every time a new season rolls around. I think I have an actual problem. Hi guys, welcome to this week's video. So as you can tell by the title, it is another exciting Primark haul, and the last time I did one of these was way back in autumn last year, and this time round it's a lot of the new spring summer pieces that they have just brought out. So obviously there's a lot of like bikinis and shorts and like short sleeve spaghetti strap tops and stuff like that, but I decided to stick for the more transitional winter into spring, spring into summer pieces rather than actual full-on summer spring stuff. And I've become that YouTuber now that always says I think I bought too much because I was given one of these those pound bags made of plastic and you have to reuse them. To be fair, I am going to keep this and use for when I move out in the future, and I'm saying this as if I actually have a place and I'm going to move out soon. That won't be for like another 3 or 4 years. Let's be honest, with this market in London, buying a house and everything, that's not going to happen anytime soon. But I got so much. I didn't realise how much I got, but I spent about 70 quid, which is quite a lot. But in theory, I did get my money's worth. Let's just get into the haul to see what made me have to buy one of these reusable bags. So if you want to see it, then carry on watching. Ow. I am going to try on some bits as well so you guys get an idea of the fit and everything. I am, for reference, 6/A and sometimes a 10. It depends what kind of clothing I'm going for. I can't even speak English. It is late in the afternoon. I've literally just got back from Primark now, so I'm eager to film this. But a lot of the stuff I did pick up was actually in the sort of front of the store, so it's all the new bits that just come in. So hopefully you guys can get a good idea as well of what is just hit stores, and I don't know where to start. I think I'm going to start with shoes because this was in the sale, down from £14 to £7, and I bought a pair of trainers last year from Primark and they were weird. I had to get size 4 but they were still too tight, and then I had an accident at work which caused my shoes to go orange, and yes, I think that was colouring from product kit we had because I work at Lush and nothing's safe at Lush. So these shoes I picked up were these amazing trainers, and I got these just to wear out of work on my days off because I don't have trainers like these. I did have a pair from Zara a few years ago, but they decided to just fall apart and I did wear them constantly to death. So this is just to replace them, and they're like these sort of cool sporty trainer style. You got pink, you got white and a little yellow detailing, and I just love these because I wanted something pink and white, and this is like all in one. And this like basically accidentally goes with everything I bought today clothes wise. So yeah, these are the shoes. If you see them, they are in the sale section of the shoe department, down from 14 to 7, and I got a size 5, so that is an actual bargain. So I'm actually going to start with the bits that are actually at the front of the shop as you walk in, because these are like the newest, coolest on trend pieces. So let me get them all out. So the first thing I picked up when I went into the store is these stripy mum jeans. I got these in a size 8. They were £13, and I'm a sucker for mum jeans. I wear my Zara ones to death. I have plain Zara ones and ones with patches on, which you've probably seen all over my Instagram because I wear them all the freaking time whenever I go on my Instagrammable. And these were just really perfect. They remind me of like spring, summer, sailor dresses and stuff I see sometimes, and these just look more expensive than they actually are. They feel feel like Topshop / Zara quality as well, which is really nice, and they fit really nicely as well. I can just imagine wearing these with t-shirts and bomber jackets and things like that. So these are perfect staple, and you can't go wrong with blue denim, to be honest, because anything goes with it. And I did see yellow ones that I was drawn to, but I was like, nah, yellow's not going to go with everything. There's very, very minimal things I have in my wardrobe that will go with yellow, so I stuck to the classic. These, I've seen it everywhere. Urban Outfitters, Topshop, like H&M, and it wasn't until recently that Primark brought these in. I got this in an extra small, which is a 6/8. It was £5, and it's just this really sheer pastel coloured net long sleeve top. That is a long phrase, but that's basically what it is. And you do have to wear something underneath because you can just see skin underneath, which I kind of like the idea of, but for me that's not practical. So I decided to get a long sleeved extra small stretch t-shirt to go underneath, which hopefully will fit. So I will try it on when I do the try on segment of this video. But yeah, I just really like the idea of these. I feel really cool and hipster and Tumblr wearing these and on trend. So £5, you literally can't go wrong. £3.50, so in all £8.50 for a top set. I'm not playing about, and the mannequin had both of these on and they went really well. So I'm super excited to wear these throughout summer. So the next thing is actually a pinafore dress, and I do have one in sort of a berry marine shade, which I wear religiously throughout autumn winter, but I wanted a spring one because I don't have any spring ones, and I do have my dungarees. Obviously that's like a trouser style, but I wanted like a skirt style, and I saw this and I thought it was actually perfect. It's like a baby dusty blue, and it's got this really sort of unique fit at the top, so it sort of molds around your chest. It actually looks quite nice. So it's quite flattering as well, and I can imagine myself wearing these with my trainers or flip-flops or like nude boots or whatever, and I've got loads of t-shirts and shirts that will go so well with this. So I'm still thinking more along with versatile minimal wardrobe. I did have like a huge declutter, by the way, so I've got rid of a lot of things and given them to charity. Don't worry, I am thinking whenever I buy things, will this go with everything rather than being a one-time thing. I look for more like long-lasting versatile things, so yes. And this was £13, by the way, which is actually quite good for Primark. I realise I've got a lot of trousers, so the next things are a classic favourite of mine. I do love a good culotte. The only ones I've got are navy ones, and I saw these and I was like, these are so cool and different. They remind me of like pop art because they've got little sort of spots on them, but like close together, and it looks like pop art sort of style. And there's like different colours. There's pink, there's violet, there's green, there's navy. There's a lot of colours going on, and they reminded me of like spring, summer sort of like aesthetic colour palette. And these were £8, which is a bargain, and I did get these in a size 8. They're really nice fitting as well, and I just hope as I wear them more they don't sort of like get looser and just sort of travel down me and I have to keep hoisting them up. But it looks like they've stitched these sort of like together so they don't have that problem anymore, because I did have a pair last year and I regret buying them, and they were really brown and horrible. I don't know why I bought them, but they just decided to sort of slide down me, and I wasn't a fan of it. So these are really cute, and they will go with everything in my wardrobe, maybe except this. Other thing I picked up is these smart trousers because they're pink, and as soon as I saw pink I was like, this is my actual favourite colour, I need this in my life. And what went through my mind was, number one, they're smart slim fitting trousers. They remind me of ones I've seen in Topshop and that my friend has as well, and they'd be perfect for if you want to look smarter with trainers, like sort of like what do they call, like a laid back smart casual outfit, that sort of thing. I was thinking Instagram again. But they'd also be really good for like interviews and things, or like dinners and stuff, because they're really nice material as well, and they were only £13. I've got an A again, and they fit really nicely. And I've got loads of shirts, t-shirts, tops, some Lazy Oaf tops as well that will go really nicely with this, so I was really chuffed when I saw this. And again, I saw yellow, but I was like, it's too bright and in your face. It was brighter than this t-shirt. It was like neon yellow, so I was like, I like it, but I'm going to stick with my favourite colour, pink. And the last two bits, actually homewares, because I'm a sucker for homeware. And FYI, I went to Oxford Street Primark, and they have the best homeware range I have ever seen in my life, and they have so many good bits in at the moment. And the next bits are really cute, and the duvet set I got, yes I did get a duvet set, is so Anthropology. Like, if you think of the colour palette and the way they design their flowers and stuff, this duvet set is so like not mature, it's not like old lady style florals, but it's really nice and sophisticated. I got it in a single. It's called Oslo Floral, and it was £9, which I think is a bargain. And look at it, it's just so beautiful. It reminds me of like Tumblr indie illustrations, like Frankie magazine style sort of things. And I do have a couple of duvet sets I want to give away because I've grown out of them. I've actually had those for about 3 years, so I do want to freshen up my sets, and this will be really nice because I'm nearly 22. I need something more mature in my life. And on the back it's just plain navy, so that's really versatile and go with my cushions. And then talking about cushions, I was sucked into buying this because it had a plant on it with a smiley face, and it was only £3, and how can I not resist this really cute cushion? Look at him, he's so cute. It says big hair don't care, and that's so cheesy, but I absolutely love it. And I just need plants everywhere in my room, and I did actually see a full-on plant duvet set that I was tempted to get, but I was like, no, stick with the florals, and this will go so well. Look at it, it goes so well with it. It's going to go with all my current duvet sets, and yeah, I'm just so freaking happy. That is everything I picked up in Primark. It doesn't actually seem a lot, but £70 worth of stuff is quite good, thinking of how much you would get if you're in the Urban Outfitters or Topshop. You probably only get like 2-3 things, but I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 things for £70. That is a bargain. And yeah, this is big enough to hide myself in. I feel like a child. I can probably actually fit in this bag. Anyway, if you guys did enjoy this video, got inspiration for what you guys want to pick up for the transitional season into spring, then do give us a thumbs up. Comment below what your favourite piece was from my haul, and subscribe and click the notification bell below to get updates for the next upload. And I'm realising now there are so many things that YouTubers tell you to do at the end of the video, and it feels like I'm saying a full-on essay. But anyway, I will see you guys hopefully next week for another video, if I can think of another idea, because I feel like I'm running out of ideas right now. But anyway, I love you guys, have a great weekend, and I will see you then. Goodbye!